Hello friends, today our topic is reported speech. Reported speech is when you tell somebody else what your person said before. ये वो होती है जब आप किसी को बताते हैं कि आपने या किसी और ने पहले क्या बात बोली थी. It is when you tell somebody else what you or person said before. There are two types of reported speech, that is direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech. Direct speech is quoting the exact words of speaker. When we quote the exact words of speaker, it is direct speech. Indirect speech is narrating the words of the speaker. When we narrate the word of the speaker to third person, it is indirect speech. For example, Parul says, I fell off my bike. This is direct speech. Here, the Parul says, I fell off my bike. Parul says that she fell off his bike. Parul says that she fell off her bike. So, this is indirect speech and this is direct speech. When we have to change direct speech into indirect speech, we have to follow some rules. The rules are as conversion of direct speech into indirect speech. First of all, the rule number 1 is remove the inverted commas. First of all, we remove the inverted commas of direct speech. Then, place a reporting verb, said, etc., followed by a conjunction before the reported speech. We should place a reporting verb, said. Rule number 3, change the tense corresponding to the tense of reporting verb. We will change the tense according to the tense of the direct speech into indirect speech. Rule number next, change pronoun. We change the pronoun from direct speech to indirect speech. Change the expression of time and place. We change the expression of time and place from direct speech to indirect speech. So these are the rules we will discuss in brief. How to change tenses. When we have simple present tense in direct speech, it will changes into simple past tense in indirect speech. For example, she said, I am happy. This is direct speech and it is in simple present. So it will change into simple past and it will become, she said that she was happy. Here, the simple present I am changed into simple past was, and I will change into she because here she is saying something. She said that first of all the inverted commas are removed, then word that is used, the tense is changed, we change the pronoun, and here the direct speech will change into indirect speech. So when we have simple present in direct tense, it will change into simple past in indirect tense. When we have present continuous tense in direct speech, it will change into past continuous tense in indirect speech. For example, she said, I am feeling sick. Here is present continuous tense in direct speech. It will change into she said that she was feeling sick. Here, present continuous tense change into past continuous tense. Inverted commas are removed, word that is used. So when we have present continuous tense, it will change into past continuous tense. When we have present perfect tense, it will change into past perfect tense. For example, she said, I have been to the museum. It will change into she said that she had been to the museum. Here we have present perfect tense. In direct speech, it will change into past perfect in indirect speech. When we have present perfect continuous tense, in direct speech, it will change into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. For example, he said, I have been playing in the garden. Here is present perfect continuous tense in this. It will change into he said that he had been playing in the garden. It will change into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. When we have simple past in direct speech, it will change into past perfect in indirect speech. For example, he said, I visited New York. Here is second form of verb is used, that is the simple past tense is used here. So it will change into he said that he had visited New York. I have used past perfect tense here because simple past will change into past perfect tense. When we have past perfect tense in direct speech, it will remain into past perfect tense in indirect speech also. For example, he said they had finished the work when I arrived. I will tell you. In this sentence, they had finished the work is in past perfect tense. When I arrived is simple past tense. So, they had finished the work will remain same because past perfect will change into past perfect in indirect speech, but simple past will change into past perfect. So, we will change the part which is in simple past tense. He said that they had finished the work when he had arrived. It will change into past perfect tense. So, when we have past perfect tense, it will remain past perfect in indirect speech also. But when we have a part of simple past in direct speech with past perfect tense, so simple past part will change into past perfect tense. When we have past continuous tense in direct speech, it will change into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. For example, she said, I was playing badminton when the accident occurred. She said, I was playing badminton. It is past continuous. When the accident occurred, occurred is the second form of verb. So it is a simple past tense here. Guys, please concentrate on this. It is a simple past tense here. So it will change. She said that she had been playing badminton when the accident had occurred. The simple past tense of the sentence will change into past perfect of the sentence. So I was playing badminton is past continuous. It will change into past perfect continuous. That is, she had been playing badminton. When the accident occurred is in simple past, it will change into accident had occurred. That is past perfect tense. When we have past perfect continuous tense, it will change into past perfect continuous tense. He said, I had been reading a newspaper. I had been reading a newspaper is past perfect continuous. When the light went off. When the light went off is simple past tense here. It is the combination of past perfect continuous and simple past tense in direct speech. When we have any combination, the past perfect tense will remain into past perfect continuous tense, but the simple past tense will change into past perfect. He said that he had been reading a newspaper when the light had gone off. When we have simple past tense with past perfect continuous tense and direct speech, it will change into past perfect because the simple past tense changes into past perfect and the past perfect continuous will remain into past perfect continuous tense. I hope the changes of tenses is clear. Next, we change the pronoun in direct speech to indirect speech. When we have I changes into he, she, me changes into him, her, my, his, her, mine, his, her, we, us, they, them, our, ours, their, theirs, you, he, she, they, you, him, her, them, your, his, her, theirs. So this is a change of pronoun. We have learned the change of tenses. We have learned the change of pronoun. Now we learn the change of expression of time and place. How the time and place changes into from direct speech into indirect speech. When we have now, it will change into then, tomorrow, the next day, last night, the previous night, later, after, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, ago, before. Just will change into than, at present, at that time, next week, the following week. There are some other also changes. Come will change into go. This will change into that. Here will change into there. Bring, take, these, those, hereby, thereby. So this is a change of tenses, change of pronoun, change of expression of time and places. Now in another video we will learn about rules for changing interrogative, exclamation sentences and etc. So thank you. Goodbye.